Yesterday, President Erdogan made a groundbreaking announcement that has military enthusiasts buzzing. Turkey is developing medium-range ballistic missiles, or MRBMs, with ranges exceeding 2,000 kilometers. This development marks a significant milestone in Turkey's defense capabilities and has the potential to shift the balance of power in the region. The announcement was made during a high-profile military press conference, where President Erdogan emphasized the strategic importance of these new MRBMs. He highlighted that these missiles are designed to enhance Turkey's deterrence capabilities and ensure national security in an increasingly volatile geopolitical landscape. With a range exceeding 2,000 kilometers, these MRBMs can reach targets far beyond Turkey's borders, covering a vast area that includes parts of Europe, the Middle East, and North Africa. This extended range provides Turkey with a significant strategic advantage, allowing it to project power and influence across a wide geographical area. The development of these MRBMs is part of a broader effort by Turkey to modernize its military forces and enhance its defense capabilities. Over the past few years, Turkey has invested heavily in advanced military technologies, including drones, electronic warfare systems, and now, ballistic missiles. This investment is aimed at ensuring that Turkey remains a formidable military power in the region. Historically, Turkey has relied on shorter-range missile systems for its defense needs. However, the introduction of these new MRBMs represents a significant leap forward in terms of range and capability. These missiles are expected to be equipped with advanced guidance systems, making them highly accurate and effective against a variety of targets. The international community has taken notice of Turkey's new missile program, with reactions ranging from cautious optimism to concern. Some experts believe that this development could lead to a new arms race in the region, as neighboring countries may seek to develop or acquire similar capabilities to counterbalance Turkey's growing military power. In response to these concerns, President Erdogan has assured the international community that Turkey's new MRBMs are intended solely for defensive purposes. He emphasized that Turkey remains committed to regional stability and is open to dialogue with its neighbors to address any security concerns that may arise from this new development. The development of these MRBMs is a testament to Turkey's growing technological prowess and its determination to achieve self-sufficiency in defense production. By developing its own advanced missile systems, Turkey aims to reduce its reliance on foreign suppliers and enhance its strategic autonomy. The announcement has been met with a sense of pride and optimism within Turkey, as citizens see it as a step towards greater national security and technological advancement. Military parades and public displays of the new missile systems are expected to follow, showcasing Turkey's latest achievements to the world. Experts agree that the introduction of these MRBMs will have far-reaching implications for Turkey's defense strategy. It will enable the country to deter potential threats more effectively and enhance its ability to respond to regional crises. This development also underscores Turkey's commitment to maintaining a robust and modern military force capable of defending its interests in an increasingly complex global environment. In conclusion, President Erdogan's announcement marks a new chapter in Turkey's defense capabilities. The development of medium-range ballistic missiles with ranges exceeding 2,000 kilometers is a game-changer for the region, positioning Turkey as a key player in the global military landscape. As the country continues to advance its military technology, the world will be watching closely to see how these new capabilities shape the future of regional and global security.
Join Intel Prime Channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.